Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a hard reset via settings on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! Luckily, it's very easy. All you want to do is simply head into settings. Now, inside settings, you want to scroll all the way down and head into general management. Now, click reset at the bottom. Scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see Factory Data Reset. You can click that. We are now checking a few things, and we have a nice amount of things that will get removed. So as you can see, every single application and Google account, system and app data, settings, etc. Basically, you will wipe your phone clean, and after it's done, it would behave like it's freshly new out of the box. So let's scroll down, let's hit reset. We have to confirm that it is us that we want to reset data. And now we simply hit delete all, and everything gets deleted. And in any moment now we should see a nice welcome screen through the process of setting up our phone. And as you can see, it took about 1 minute, maybe 2, and we see a setup screen, so that means a factory reset was successful. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.